All right, and so for added security, so the rack doesn't get stolen and your passenger backrest, we've got 2 security latches, and one goes on the luggage rack, one goes on this because you don't need it on both sides. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Always thank you, that's right, you, for checking back in. We're going to install a security latch system for the docking hardware. That is the part number, and that will make sure that it can't be removed. So what do you say we get wrenching, huh? But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon every time there's a hit another biker joins the revolution. We'd love to have you be part of it. So up to you whether you want right or left side. I'm going to do the right side of my luggage rack. And you'll note we've got this. It's going to replace that, pretty obvious. The one thing you do want to note is that you'll see there's a recessed portion on this side and it's flat on this side. You want the flat side to go towards the plate and you want this recessed portion to the outside because this is where your bolt and washer are going to go. So with a 5/32 hex head, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And once removed, we're going to save that bolt and washer. We're going to slide this off here, and then you'll see a spring washer on there. You want to leave that on. With these latches comes 2 washers. The washer goes over the spring washer there, and then we can go ahead and put that over that, and then we'll come back in with the bolt and washer that we saved there and get this started. Come in with our 5/32 T-handle here and get this seated a little bit, and I can finish off with just a little bit of torque here with my actual ratchet here. Should be good. And then you'll note on the back side of this, it acts just the same as the regular latch. It's locked right now. It can't be taken off the bike because that won't push all the way down. You've got barrel keys. You've got one longer one and one shorter one. One goes respectively to each latch, of course. I do know this one is the longer one. You'll see that there's just a nub. Of course, it's a barrel key at the very top. That goes right there where the cutout is. And it's really quick. It's just in, quarter turn back, and pull out. That pops that pin out. Now this is unlocked, and so it can be taken off the bike, and you'll want to put it on like that. And then once you get it on the bike, you want to lock it. It's very simple. You don't need the key. You just push in, and it's locked now. All right, just real quick, and we'll get right back into your video. As you can imagine, a ton of man hours, expenses, and effort going to keeping this channel going strong. We're just trying to help as many bikers as we can worldwide. There is a way you can support us by becoming a patron member, and I'll link to it in the description below. There's benefits for becoming a member, such as t-shirts and stickers. You get access to the private Facebook group, which is a troll-free zone. It's literally nothing but bikers helping and connecting with other bikers in there. You get access to podcasts early, live video broadcasts, and chat, premium videos upon request, and of course, access to those ride, meetup, and events. We appreciate you considering becoming a member. Now let's get back into your video. Pretty much the same installation process on the passenger backrest here, but you'll see it's on the inside, but it installs exactly the same. And you get to choose right or left side. And there you have it, security latches attached to my accessories. And just remember, before you mount it, you want to go ahead and unlock it or it's not going to mount. And we'll use the barrel key there. And it's unlocked now. We can go ahead and set it up just like we did the originals there. There we go, locked in place, and that one. And then we'll push down and it's locked. And again, on our luggage rack here, just a quick unlock with the longer key, get them lined up there, and we'll finish off by giving it a lock. And you can see with it locked, there's no way to push this up and rotate it to get this rack off there.